This is the easiest recipe to make canapes using Tagz pop chips. In a pan, add some oil, onions, roughly chopped green chilies, garlic and ginger garlic paste. You can also add the spices that you like. Then add some tomatoes, salt, sugar, chili powder, turmeric powder and vinegar. Saute that until soft and mushy. Then add it to a blender and make a thick paste. Next add in some water and some cream. One final stir and now keep it aside. Here comes the fun part. I'm not going to make my own canapes from scratch, but I'm going to use the Tagz potato chips that are neither fried nor baked. Separate the large sized chips and make a spice powder with the smaller sized chips. So this will act as a coating for the mushrooms that we are going to use and we are going to fry later. So once fried, they will be nice and crispy. To assemble the canapes, we are going to line the chips on the serving plate. Next, I'm adding in a diced onion on each of the chip because I really like the texture of it. Followed by the sauce that we had prepared and also the fried mushrooms, and I'm also adding spice mix because this really enhances the flavor of the dish, and some cheese. Garnishing with some fresh coriander. The kitchen was smelling so good. Do give this recipe a try.